Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your channel on your account on Discord easy and quick. First hold on it like this, and here you will find edit channel, click on it, and here as you see you will find delete channel, click on it. Now click yes and it will be deleted, and that's it. That's how to delete channel on your account on Discord easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.